Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer for this love pain, yeah? Ooh.
Hi everyone, it's Keisha the Crafty Planner. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me in my on-the-go planner. This was my homebody planner, but I have it frankenplanned with several different sections. And today I'm going to be working in my work to do section. I use this to record what I need to do for the week. And this is the Stargazer Mini that I use. It's a monthly layout, and so I'll be planning for the week of January 13th through the 19th. I plan on using the Glam Girl book. This is the mini. I'm not really fond of this one, so I'm going to challenge myself to see if I can use it in this book. So I'm also going to use this happy memory keeping book to put the dates down for this. So I'm going to go ahead and take the pages off of the disc. And I'll speed this video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, that's it. I did take out 2 pages, and I guess I kind of forgot what I was planning because I only do 1 week at a time on this on this spread. So I did get that page done. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the disc. And so next week I'll be planning for the 3rd week in January on this page. Now, sometimes I like to continue the spread all the way across, but sometimes I've chosen to mix it up. So, with that being said, I like how this turned out. Like I said in the beginning, Glam Girl is not one of my favorites because I'm not a girly girl. I'm not a glamorous girl or anything. I don't think I'm a diva, or I don't do glamorous stuff, I guess is what I'm saying. So, but the stickers are really pretty. I just don't think that a lot of it pertained to me, but I had to have it anyway. So let me know what you think of this layout. If you like it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.